All right, today's notes are really simple. It's just vocabulary. So linear, what does linear mean? It's got the name, the word in it. See, line is kind of the root word. So linear just means that the graph will be a straight line. No curves. So not only is it a function, so the x values don't repeat, but it's a straight line. So an example of a linear function, right? It's got to pass the vertical line test. Remember, this is a function, but this is not linear, okay? So this one is non-linear. This one is linear. So that's the only difference today. So we went from learning what a relation is. It's just ordered pairs. So now we have a function. It's a special group of ordered pairs where the x's don't repeat. Now we've got special functions whose graphs are straight lines. And so how do you know a function is going to be linear? Say you're not graphing it or you don't have a picture. So linear functions, the rate of change is constant. Another way of saying that, in case that doesn't make sense to you, is the slope between any 2 points is the same. Oops, forgot the I. Doesn't matter which 2 points you pick, that slope always will be the same if your function is linear, meaning a straight line.